I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ. The Lord is my shepherd. I shut up. Stop there. Stop there. Why are you people gallivanting the land? You know, west. No, I don't know if you are white or blue or green. I don't know.
Are you okay?
Yes, of course I'm okay.
Sure.
I say I'm okay.
Oh, so far no more. Do you have to say this?
A cheap pasta? You take over a cheap? Prostitute money you are giving. Father. What are you doing? Huh? You again? Huh? Do you know him?
I don't know him.
Huh? My friend, why do you have to be a 30 hair? Hey, what's the problem? Huh?
Do you know the amount of money I spent on her?
So that gave you the right to be 30 hair?
Hey! You want me to do something to you, right?
Young man,
You want me to do something to you?
what would you do? I say what? Huh? Indeed, the kingdom of God has suffered violence, and the violent one has taken it by force. What are you looking for?
I'm going to give you Brazilian, Cuban, choco. No. Chocolate. No. See, I'm going to give you everything that you want.
You don't mean it.
I mean it. As I said, you're the first time.
And then,
Just calm down.
let
You
me
don't have any problem. Love is so smart. Smart.
Huh? What do you think you are doing?
Hey, what's wrong with you?
As a young man, what do you think you are doing? This day is the day that the Lord has made. Doesn't mean that you should come and be yelping a lady.
Are you crazy?
What do you mean by that?
Are you mad?
Me, a pastor. The lady?
Baby, do you know him?
Look, you people are delaying Jesus from coming. What? Yes. Hey. I said, what is the meaning of that?
Wait. Go back. Look, I can see that you don't have manners. And I'll teach you how to respect people. Yes.
Master, please. Since morning, I've been preaching the gospel. Anybody that passes slapping me. Master, I'm even angry, cry.
Get up. Baby, don't mind me, right?
I'm here. Range over.
You're what?
Range over.
Take over,
Are you your kingdom of survival violence? And the violent one will take it by force.
Good afternoon to you, Honorable.
Afternoon.
My name is Kwame Martin, and she is
Maria.
Okay.
Yes, and we are from Onye TV. Honorable.
Oh, wait, did you say on your TV?
Onye TV, sir.
Okay, you go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Honorable, Once again, thank you for granting us this opportunity to hold this interview.
No problem.
As we all know, you are the people's choice, and you are aspiring to be the Minister for Natural Mineral Resources. What message do you have for your people out there?
Thank you very much. You see, as you all know, yes, I am the people's choice, and I'm capable enough for the position.
Sir, can you tell us some of the natural mineral resources we have here in Ghana?
Are you not a Ghanaian?
Yes, I am, but for the benefit of the international community.
Okay, that is a ridiculous question, you know. You see, as you all know, we have a lot of mineral resources in this country, and that includes the Coke, Fanta, 7-Up, Sprite, Ahello bitters, Brukutu ginger, and the Pito. All these are our resources.
Sir, please calm down. Maybe you didn't get her question right. She wasn't talking about minerals like Coke, Fanta, and the likes. She is talking about the natural mineral resource that we have here in our country, Ghana. What does it mean, John?
That is the Coke side of life. Hey, you people think I don't know what I'm saying, eh? You people think I don't know what I am saying. I say keep quiet. My friend, keep quiet. I say keep quiet. Look, let me tell you. I'm talking about the Coke, Fanta, Sprite, 7-Up, Ahello bitters, Brukutu ginger, and Pito. What are you people saying? You think I don't know what I'm saying, eh? You think I don't know what I'm saying, eh? Chege! I'm bro.
Honorable, me no Jamie here. Ole me ona. Come on.
Did I hear you right? Did you say onye or
Inke onye?
If it is the onye, I have no problem with it. But if it is
Okay, hold on. I don't understand what you're saying. I'm asking you what went on that you're fighting. Okay, I can't understand. Please, can you help me out? These two gentlemen are seriously fighting, and I don't understand what they say. Jesus Christ, I'm dead. What is this bad that's happening? What is this? Would you stop laughing? Please don't mind them. I'm very much sorry. I didn't know. Gentlemen, you should stop doing that. You're very much not nice gentlemen. You can't even love yourself. And you are laughing at her. You go your way. Bye-bye.
Ghana, fine. I don't want to put your hands together. before I introduce myself, I want to say, ladies, women, girls, and babes, I welcome you today. Gentlemen, Papa, brother, and uncle, I welcome you today. Me, I don't believe that ladies and gentlemen, because if you say ladies, you add mama, grandmama. I know say one grandmama did it. You have to respect them. I be not be so.
It be so.
You have to respect them. I dey like when people sit down. You see, we have brothers here. Me, I know say I young, but I still senior somebody. We get daddies here, like this my papa now. He no be my mate, you know say gentleman. I be man, I no be poor. You understand? I be no be so. Yes, I dey like if I go occasion, I go respect people with their dignity. Sir, I greet you, sir. I remember Goodluck Jonathan when he come presidency. So true, I won't confess myself to you people. I be full Nigerian guy, Benin boy. Yes, but since Nigeria won't change my situation, now change. I wanna be laughing. Nigeria, I go school, I live for Lagos, Sulere, Lawansi. How many of you know Lawansi? I go for Jota Primary School, finish secondary school, become graduate of Jota Secondary School. But situation changed me, just like that. That's where be the next place. Even Ghana must go, Nigeria and follow Ghana go. Don't let Ghana go. Nigeria go follow. I follow Ghana go. But the only problem I get when we go back to Nigeria now, they say, my papa, I make mistake when I come Ghana, I change money. Then they tell me, say, I don't know, say 1,000, 10,000 naira now 1 million for Ghana. Now I tell my papa, say, now I am a millionaire. That is why I don't go back to Nigeria now. I did extra. Because my papa come go and stand up me. Come village and say, my son is a millionaire. Holy Ghost Father. I've been millionaire. As long as I take Ghana, everything are millions. I'm a millionaire. My brother, don't be small thing. I tell you, it's not easy at all. I know how toilet hold me for this Ghana. I go from like, I don't know how to express something so that the Nigerian people understand what I mean. You know how person go work out from, if you be Lagosian here, you go work out from Sulere bus stop, come Lawansi, come shit. How you go imagine when punch hold you? Okay, now true, I said I confess myself. I confess myself. I know they confess. If I reach you now, matter will change. My brother, don't be small issue. But I thank God for Mahama. I will put your hands together for Mahama. It's not changing the land. Whether they like it or not, now one touch. Now one touch, keke. Yes. Ghana they grow, they complain, say subsidy, this, that. Nigeria no face am. We still survive. Ghana must they grow like that. I love Ghana too much. Ghana don't change my life. I come and they pray, say I won't become. I say God, I want to be great so that when I go back to my land, they will see that I'm great. I wanted to be a pastor, a minister, so that when I stand, I will lay hands on people. See, look, and I tell them, look, make you mind yourself the way you talk to ministers. I will do like this. If the Holy Ghost won't touch you, you do like this. You don't know say your name will cancel for heaven. You don't disobey God. You do like this. Oh God. Look, let me tell you, get some things wrong they do, our name will miss for heaven. Yes. And the kind of calling, oh God. See, thank God for my color. I know if I go heaven, God will say, yes. They say so many books is here. Oh, issues. God, they write things, so my color is intact. If I go heaven, God don't need to look my color before he knows I'm Jonathan. Marine name, don't become a name. Marine name, God knows my marine name, that Jonathan. Then, God will say, Jonathan, and say, sir, I'm here. But somebody go pay. Maybe like a lady, now this is a do that in part. Margaret will say, now maybe this one, God knows Margaret black. Margaret come become yellow. He'll say, are you sure? No, stand aside. Put your hands together for myself. Fine ladies, I greet you now. My sister, I'd like to do my thing like poem. As we continue the show, maybe I will come back again. Thank you very much.
Why you people can abandon the land?